Hi guys, to receive this smart LED pendant light for reviewing purposes, so let's go ahead and open the box and see what comes inside. It's really well protected with foam, which I think it's a nice thing. You have in here the installation instructions with all the steps that you need to wire your pendant light, which I think is really nice. And this is where it comes the main unit. Okay, this is how it looks. Okay, I think it's really nice. You can extend it like this. You look at the base plate, and it comes with everything you need to install it, which I think is a really nice thing. Okay, so let's go ahead and start installing it, and let's see how it works. Come on. Okay guys, as you can see, it's already installed. I think it looks really nice. What I like about it, as I've said, is that you can focus it like this. As you can see, focus and unfocus, giving a more surface area where you wanna shine the light, which I think it's a really nice function, because you can place it like a base that you wanna show off in a part of your house, or even in your kitchen aisle to place them in line. I think they're gonna look really nice, and I love the design. It's matte black and it's really nice, and I would really recommend it. See you guys.